Hi, in this video I will show you how to do the long tail cast on. I will show you two different techniques, and the first one goes as follows. Take one end of your yarn and leave yourself a bit of a tail. How long the tail needs to be depends on how many stitches you are planning to cast on. Take the end and put it in front of your left little finger. Bring the yarn behind the ring and middle finger and wind it around your index finger. Bring the yarn down and wrap it around your thumb so that the yarn forms a loop. Hold the end between your middle and ring finger or between your ring and little finger. Now we can cast on the stitches. Take your needle and insert it into the loop around your thumb. Grab the strand that is coming from the index finger and pull it through the loop. Let the loop slide off your thumb and use your thumb to pull on the strand a bit to tighten the stitch that you just made. That way your yarn is in the right position to cast on the next stitch. Now you can insert the needle back into the loop and pull the yarn through like you did for the first stitch. Let the loop slide off your thumb, tighten the stitch by pulling on the strand with your thumb, and move your thumb back to the left to form another loop around it. I will show you a couple more stitches. The setup for the second method is a bit easier. Leave a tail like for the first method and then double the strand so that you get a loop. Insert your left index finger and thumb and hold the yarn between your middle and ring finger. Now take your needle and put it underneath the strand between the index finger and the thumb. Hold it in place with your right index finger and pull the needle back so that the yarn forms a loop around your left thumb. Now you can cast on the stitches in the same way as before. So insert the needle into the loop around your thumb and pull the strand from the index finger through the loop. Let go of the loop and use your thumb to tighten up the stitch and form a new loop around your thumb. After casting on the first stitch, you already have 2 stitches on the needle, since the strand of yarn that we first put on our needle became the first stitch. Again, insert your needle into the loop. Grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. Let go of the loop and tighten the stitch with your left thumb. I will show you a couple more stitches. This is what the finished cast-on looks like. In the back, you should have these little pearl bumps. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.